Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start now by listing exactly what goes into the mega file and why each item matters. You want a clear total size in GB and file type breakdown so you can choose the right container. Once done, pick archive format or disk image based on random access needs versus compression. Make sure to reserve temporary working space equal to the total size plus 10% for overhead, and create a quick backup of irreplaceable files before you start combining them. You'll now assemble content, normalize file names, remove duplicates, and reorder items to improve compression ratios. Small improvements compound. Start your compression with settings you tested on a representative subset. For example, choose 7Z with solid block tuning if maximum size reduction matters, or faster zip for quick access. If a file system has file size limits, split into chunks of a fixed MB/GB size, and generate Finish by rebuilding any archive index and embedding metadata so you or others can restore content without guesswork. You must verify integrity. Run SHA-256 checks on each chunk, then perform a test extract of several important files to confirm readability. Once verification passes, delete temporary working files if desired and move the mega file to its final location. If something fails, rerun checksums, scan drives for I/O errors, and use the backup copy to recover corrupted data.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.